Yongkang Shuntai Industrial Company Limited was founded in 2002 and is located in Yongkang City, which is known as China's Science and Technology Hardware City. The location is excellent and the transportation is convenient. Our company covers an area of 15,000 square meters. The company has advanced production equipment and skilled frontline employees. Our company is mainly engaged in the production and sales of plastic cup, stainless steel vacuum cup, glass. Our company knows that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. Therefore, our products have strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. Our company has passed ISO 9001 certification. The company continuously releases the original innovations according to the market and customer needs, and always maintains the novelty and innovation of the products. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We have many patent certificates, and our experimental centers have also passed government certification. We can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. Sincerely look forward to your visit.